Hello students, good evening everybody. Let me see second question. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. If possible, let us assume that root 2 is a rational number. Immediately root 2 can be expressed as p by q form, because as per the definition of rational number, any number which can be written in the form of p by q or a by b or c by d, your wish, where p comma q are any integer and q never be equal to 0, and the important condition is p comma q are co-primes or relatively primes. That means they should not have any common factor other than 1 and itself. Okay. Let me see, squaring on both sides, then 2 equal to p square by q square, cross multiply p square equal to 2q square. That means 2 divides p square. That means p square is expressed as 2 into something. That means 2 divides p square. Immediately 2 divides p also. If 2 divides p, then p can be expressed as something into 2. That something I am taking it as m. Okay, that means 2 into m, where m belongs to positive integer. So from equation 1, take p square equal to 2q square. In the place of p, I am writing 2m. That means 4m square equal to 2q square. 2 1s, 2 2s cancel. Then q square equal to 2m square. That means 2 divides q square. 2 divides q. That means 2 divides q means q can be expressed as something into 2. That something I am taking it as n. Okay. So n into 2. So here 2 divides p and 2 divides q. That means what does it mean? 2 is a common factor of p and q, which is a contradiction that the fact p and q are co-primes. As I told you earlier, they should not have any common factor other than 1 and itself. But we are getting 2 is a common factor here. So which is a contradiction. So root 2 is an irrational number, hence proved. So that is the way you have to prove it. Okay? Right. Now root 3 also you can say. Root 3 also you can say. Root 3, prove that root 3 is an irrational number. If possible, let us assume that root 3 is an irrational number. Immediately that root 3 can be expressed as p by q, where p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0. P comma q are co-primes or relatively primes. That means they should not have any common factor other than 1 and itself. Then squaring on both sides, 3 equal to p square by q square. Then cross multiply. P square is expressed as 3 into something. That means 3 divides p square. So immediately 3 divides p also. Already I told you here p divides a square means p divides a also. Then p divides 3 divides p means 3 can be expressed as, p can be expressed as something into 3 here. That something I am taking as m. So 3m. P equal to 3m, where m belongs to z plus. From equation 1, p square equal to 3q square. In the place of p I am writing 3m. 3m whole square means we will get 9m square equal to 3q square. 3 1s, 3 3s, that means q square equal to 3m square. That means 3 divides q square. That means 3 divides q also. 3 divides q means q can be expressed as something into 3. Here clearly it is understood p divides 3 divides p and 3 divides q. That means 3 is a common factor of p and q. Here p 3 divides p and 3 divides q. 3 is a common factor of p and q, which contradicts that the fact p and q are co-primes. Therefore, this is because of our wrong assumption we reached this contradiction. That means root 3 must be an irrational number. Hence proved. Okay? This is the way we have to prove it. Any number you can prove it like this. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 17, root 19. Any number you can prove it. Same matter, just change the numbers. Okay? Three plus 2 root 5. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay? And let me prove. What should you prove here? 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. If possible, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number, and we will proceed. Rational number. As per the rational number definition, this 3 plus 2 root 5 can be expressed as P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to any integer and Q not equal to 0. And one more condition, P comma Q are co-primes or relatively primes. Okay, let me solve this. So 2 root 5 equal to P by Q plus 3 will be minus 3. So 2 root 5 equal to, take LCM here, Q, P minus 3Q. So root 5 equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. That is, since P comma Q are integers, P minus 3Q is also an integer, right? An integer by, since Q is an integer, 2Q also an integer. Okay. What is the integer by integer? That means root 5 equal to a rational number. A rational number, integer by integer means what? Rational number. But which contradicts that the fact we proved that root 5 is an irrational number, right? But what did you get here? Root 5 is a rational number. So which contradicts that the fact root 5 is an irrational number, right? An irrational number. That means our assumption is wrong. Because of our wrong assumption only we got this contradiction, right? So what is our assumption? 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. That is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Right? Hope it is clear. Thank you.